Assalamu alaikum class, hope you are good. The topic of our discussion for today is international business and globalization. Before proceeding the chapter, we must know what is the meaning of international business itself. So international business, the field of international business is concerned with the issues facing international companies and government in dealing with all the type of cross-border transaction. Okay, international business involve all business transactions that involve two or more countries, minimum two countries, and maximum as per your business and as per your dealings. Okay, international business consists of transactions that are devised and carried out cross border to satisfy the objective of individuals and organizations. That is the need of international business. That's why international business is done. And it also consists of those activities privately and publicly, or you can say that private and public enterprise that involve the movement of across national boundaries of goods and services, resources, knowledge, or skills, etc., that falls under the requirement of international business. The next concept we are going to discuss the main definition of international business. That is, international business is a term that is used to collectively describe all commercial activities that involve private, public, government, sales, investment, logistics, and transportation, etc., that take place between two or more countries. Understand, usually private companies undertake such transaction for profit. Organization undertake them for profit for political reasons. Multinational enterprise is a company that has a worldwide approach to markets and production, or one with operation in more than a country. That would be the definition of internationalization. Okay, the concept which we studied here is commerce. So what do you mean by commerce? We must learn the meaning of commerce, that is the growing tendency of cooperation to operate across national boundaries, that would be known as commerce. Okay, the next concept which we are going to discuss is what do you mean by domestic business and what do you mean by international business. So domestic business, the concept of domestic business is it is the business transaction that occur within the geographical limits or national limits of the country. It is known as domestic business. It is a business entity whose commercial activities are performed within a nation. The producer and consumers of the firm both reside in the country. In domestic trade, the buyer and seller belong to the same country, and so the trade agreement is based on the practices, law, and custom that are followed in the country. That would be the definition of domestic business. Okay, the next point which we are going to discuss is differences between domestic business and international business. First, the meaning, we compare its meaning. That is, first, domestic business is said to be domestic when its economic transactions are conducted within the geographical boundaries, whereas the international business is one which is engaged in economic transaction with several countries of the world. Area, what is the area of operation among these businesses? In domestic business, area of operation reside within the country, and international business reside all over the world. Whole world falls under it. Quality standards. What is the quality standards are low in domestic business, and quality standard in international business are very high. Domestic business deals in single currency, while international business deal in multiple currencies. The next point is restriction. Few restrictions are in domestic business and many restrictions are in international business. Capital investment is less in domestic business, while in international business capital investment is huge. Number of customer in domestic business is homogeneous, while in international business nature of customers are heterogeneous. Business research can be conducted easily in domestic business, while it is very difficult to conduct research in international business. Okay, in domestic business, mobility of factor of production, that are land, labor, capital, and organization, are free, and international business mobility of factor of production is restricted. That is the difference, that are the main points that contain the difference among these two businesses are there. I hope you get the topic very well. If you have any queries, then do ask me on my WhatsApp number. Revise the topic very well. If you find any difficulties, then do ask me. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.